Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will compare three smartphones Moto G4, Le Eco Le 2, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. Let's start with the design of these phones. The Le 2 and Redmi Note 3 both flaunt their all metal design. They feature metal design with brushed aluminium finish, which looks premium. The Le 2 has sharp edges and is flatter on the rear compared to Redmi Note 3, which has slightly more curved rear and rounded edges. The Moto G4 on the other hand features plastic body with rounded frame. It comes with water repellent nano coating and has a textured rear panel that offers good grip. So if we had to pick one out of these three based on aesthetics, we would go for Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 or Le Eco Le 2 due to their elegant metal design. But if you want to buy a phone with plastic body, then you can go for the Moto G4. All the three smartphones feature 5.5-inch Full HD displays with 1080p resolution. The Moto G4 comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection against scratches. The displays of all the three smartphones are vivid and sharp with good viewing angles. The display of Redmi Note 3 is more vibrant, but Moto G4 has better sunlight legibility compared to Redmi Note 3. Screens of both Redmi Note 3 and Le 2 closely match one another, yet Redmi Note 3 has a slight edge in display department. It is closely followed by Le 2. The Le 2 and Redmi Note 3 sport 16 megapixel camera on the rear with dual LED flash and PDAF. The Moto G4 comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera. The Le Eco Le 2 packs an 8 megapixel secondary camera, while other two phones sport 5 megapixel front-facing cameras. Both Le 2 and Redmi Note 3 take excellent images with rear cameras in outdoors as well as indoors. Although the rear camera resolution of Moto G4 is lower than its rivals, yet the quality of images taken with it is impressive. As for front camera, the 8 megapixel selfie camera of Le 2 is slightly better than the 5 megapixel front camera of Redmi Note 3 and Moto G4. The Le Eco Le 2 is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 652 processor paired with 3 GB of RAM. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 comes with a hexa-core Snapdragon 650 processor, while Moto G4 packs a 1.5 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 617 processor coupled with 2 GB of RAM. Redmi Note 3 comes in two variants based on RAM and storage, one with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, while other variant packs 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The Le 2 and Moto G4 house 32 GB and 16 GB of internal memory respectively. Moto G4 as well as both variants of Redmi Note 3 support expandable storage via microSD card. On testing these phones on Antutu benchmarks, we got scores of around 82,000 for Le 2, 71,000 for Redmi Note 3 and 45,000 for Moto G4. All three phones offer smooth gaming and multitasking experience, but they get slightly warm after extended usage. Performance of Moto G4 is moderate and Le 2 feels slightly more powerful than the other two phones. So, when it comes to the power pack in these three devices, the Le 2 definitely has an edge, with Redmi Note 3 coming on a close second. On software front, the Le 2 runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow wrapped under EUI 5.6. Redmi Note 3 runs Android Lollipop wrapped under MIUI 7 and Moto G4 runs Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow operating system. The interfaces of all the three devices are smooth and responsive. The interface of Le 2 feels more intuitive, while the Redmi Note 3 is heavily customized and offers a lot of customization options compared to the Le 2. The Moto G4 comes with several features like pick up the phone to stop it from ringing, flip the phone for do not disturb mode, and Moto display that shows notifications every time you pick up the phone. If you are a fan of customization, then you should opt for the Redmi Note 3 as it offers tons of themes and features to customize the look of the phone. If you are looking for a phone with clean interface, then you can opt for Moto G4. The Redmi Note 3 is backed up by a massive 4000 mAh battery, while other two devices come with 3000 mAh batteries. The Redmi Note 3 does have an edge over the Le 2 and Moto G4 due to its higher battery capacity. The Le 2 comes with USB Type-C, while Redmi Note 3 and Moto G4 come with micro USB ports. All the three devices support fast charging. The Moto G4 comes bundled with a turbocharger which is said to offer 6 hours of power with 15 minutes of charging. The Redmi Note 3 comes with hybrid dual SIM slot. Le 2 offers just 2 SIM card slots and lacks a micro SD card slot. The Moto G4, on the other hand, offers 2 SIM card slots and a micro SD card slot. Both Le 2 and Redmi Note 3 sport fingerprint scanner below the camera on the rear of the phones. The fingerprint sensors of both phones are pretty fast and accurate in unlocking the phones. The Le 2 and Redmi Note 3 also come with an IR blaster to control compatible appliances. The Moto G4 lacks both a fingerprint sensor and an IR blaster. The Le 2 features USB Type-C audio port instead of 3.5mm audio jack. It also features continual digital lossless audio technology for high quality and lossless audio. The Le Eco Le 2 is priced at Rs 11,999 and it comes with 1 year Le Eco membership worth Rs 4,900 for free. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 carries a price tag of Rs 9,999 for 2GB RAM variant and Rs 11,999 for 3GB RAM variant. The Moto G4 will cost you Rs 12,499. Both Le Eco and Redmi Note 3 are priced the same at Rs 11,999. The Redmi Note 3 offers expandable storage and more battery capacity, while the Le 2 offers a better front camera as well as continual digital lossless audio technology for high quality and lossless audio. The Moto G4 lacks fingerprint sensor, IR blaster, and is also priced higher than the other two phones. So, if you're looking for a device with premium metal design that also offers you additional security with fingerprint sensor, then you can opt for either Redmi Note 3 or Le 2. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.